using the rubrics. This video describes how you can use rubrics to save time and effort and improve your grades. This video has 3 parts: what are rubrics, using rubrics, and accessing rubrics. Part 1. What are rubrics? In this course, rubrics are grids I use to grade your work. The rubrics identify and describe the grading criteria. After grading, the numbered cells show your scores. Part 2. Using the rubrics. There are 3 ways to use the rubrics to save time and effort and improve your grades. First, before starting an assignment or discussion topic, study the grading criteria to see what I'm grading. Second, before submitting your work, check the rubric grading criteria again to make sure you did what you needed to do. The rubrics are different for different assignments and discussion topics. It makes sense to check the rubric before starting each discussion topic and assignment. Part 3. Accessing the rubrics. In 3 quick and easy steps, you can see any assignment's rubric. Step 1. On the Assignments and Quizzes page, select the name of the folder you want. Step 2. Select the assignment you want. Step 3. Select View Rubric. The rubric appears. The steps to see a discussion topic rubric are also quick and easy, but different. Step 1. On the discussion board page, select the discussion topic you want. Step 2. Scroll the page to find and select the Grading Information button. Step 3. Select the rubric icon. The rubric appears. Accessing a rubric after grading. After their due dates, most assignments and quizzes folders and discussion topics are set to disappear. After grading, you can see your rubric scores in My Grades. Step 1. In the navigation pane, select My Grades. Step 2. Scroll down to the activity of interest. Look right to confirm the graded status and the grade. Step 3. On the left, select View Rubric. The rubric appears and shows your grade details. Study the grading rubric and any comments I offer. Ask yourself, what can I improve next time? Improvement takes time, effort, and attention to detail. Improvement builds confidence and gets respect. The benefits last a lifetime.